Hello everyone, myself Deepak Patel, founder and MD of Gripo IoT India Private Limited. We are into robotics, gripper and palm tooling solution provider in India. We are the only manufacturer for the end palm tooling, and we are based in Pune. Our manufacturing setup is an R&D center is in Pune. Apart from Pune, we have got sales office in Ahmedabad and in Delhi, and very soon we are going to operate in Chennai too. See, in India we can find so many options for the robot supplier for robotics automation, but the major part of robot is hand, that is called hand palm tool. That is where our expertise is. That we carry a tagline of you name it, we grip it. It means you can give us any kind of part and we'll make it sure that the part will be picked and in a better way. And Gripo India, we are bit different from the other supplier who are dealing in the hand palm tooling. Apart from Gripo India, all are importers, and we are the only manufacturer. We manufacture in each and every parts for the gripper items. We do part picking, we do insert molding, we do degating, we do post operation, and apart from that, apart from the UAT, we also make SPMs and conveyors. You can see our product line of these are the runner chucks, and those are the custom made. Various types of runner chucks we have, and that is for the different application. We have the pullers, we have the jumbo grippers. These are the QCC quick chuck change. If you are using number of mold in the same robot and you want to save the changeover time, you can go for the QCC. We have got the manual sliding QCC, automatic QCC, semi-automatic QCC, and so many products, the small grippers. We have made some kind of product based on the customer requirement called multi-end board, which is bit unique for the industry and one kind of, you can say, the patented product. This device helps the robot in many way because its internal design, this is how it works. And apart from that, we have got some UATs. This is a bumper UAT, a demo we have shown. This is an insert UAT. This is a spraying option. Suppose in mold, suppose in the robot application, you need to apply the spray, so automatic spray can be applied in the machine by using the robot. These are the part of modular UAT. Modular in the sense, if you want to use a single UAT for the various part of same kind of design, little bit same kind of design, you can use these parts. And all those parts are manufactured, and those are lightweight in series, those are durable, and each and every parts can be replaced, can be repaired too. We have got spring plungers, cross connector, attachment bracket, and all those parts. These are the runner grippers and pullers and mini cylinders are there. You can see this is the three-jaw gripper. This gripper is a special one we have made for the particular application. So we are capable to make any kind of gripper based on the application your requirement. This is the L type of runner gripper, where your robo arm is not reachable. In that case, you can use this kind of grippers. You can see various types of suction cups. Those are manufactured based on the different kind of application. We have got an HNVR cups. Those are the imprint free and mostly used for the automobile lens part picking. But we have got also silicon cups which has got higher temperature resistance and also can be picked the highly grained part. We have also solution for the degating. So we have got various snippers from the vessels. Those are made of Japan. So you can cut any kind of plastic parts by using robots. So you can save all the post operation. Also you can have the standardization of the all part degating. We have got spraying option. Suppose if you want to spray in the machine, frequent silicon spray is required. In that case, we provide the automatic spraying option in the robo. We have got various varieties of actuators, cylinders, rotary actuators for the various applications. This is the UAT of Jungle Gym, where it gives the 180-degree flexibility to reach any degree based on your requirement. So this is the most comfortable way to grip the part. And also we are into in mold. We are manufacturing the mandrels for the in mold solution. So you can say Gripo India is the one-stop solution for your end pump tool requirement and automation partner. So you are kind requested to reach us for any of your requirement for the robotics and the pump tooling and its automation. Thank you so much for visiting and sparing your valuable time for Gripo India. Thank you once again.